Alright, so guys, as always, I have come your way with another tutorial, another education on the Syntech opportunity. And guys, this is where you always want to be, because on this channel, what we do is amazing. We educate ourselves, we give the insight, the in and out, what you need to survive on a platform. That's what we give you. Alright. And we don't just talk about any platform, we talk about smart contract projects like cryptex, like Syntech. All right, so if you are here, you are welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, I give you kudos. If you are new, just be part of us by clicking the subscribe button right in front of you. You can hit the bell so that you are notified anytime we upload a video. You'll be among the first to be notified to watch it, so you can have a first-hand education on the platform. Now, this update that came today is something that a lot of people are asking questions about. I think I made a video explaining everything already. In this very particular video, we want to talk about the validation, okay, the importance of validation. Initially, if you can remember, before we were doing the validation manually. Before Syntech is now doing it automatically for us, so we were not prompted to do it manually, but we are now doing what we call proof of validation. Guys, and I want to take this from their Telegram page. If you can remember, I don't want it to be like I'm forging something. Now, on the 8th of August 2025, these guys make this post. Let us dive into it and really understand what it means. Now, they say launch of new validation process. Starting today, the Syntech platform introduces a new help validation mechanism, what we call proof of validation. Now, what does this mean for you? You no longer need to participate in mandatory manual validation. As I said before, we were doing mandatory manual validation. If you don't do it, your hub goes inactive, okay? Now, they say you don't need to do that again. When a POV task becomes available, a modal video will automatically appear in your dashboard, inviting you to perform the validation right during your work on the platform. I think you'll be seeing this. How proof of validation works and what you earn. Now, POV is a cross-method verification process for all performance between validators. You must understand this. So it is a cross-method verification process. So as it comes and I do it, I verify myself and then I verify somebody too. That's what it means. And the person also do it. What it means, he has verified himself and he has verified another person. So it's a cross-method some kind of thing. Now, when the POV video appears and you complete the validation, you will receive a reward. Okay, so it's not just you doing it without receiving anything. So what is the reward system? This is it. Now, from 0.1 cent, and I need you to understand that 1 cent is equivalent to $1 USD. So from 0.1 cent to 0.5 cent, if you do not own any hubs above the start level. So what it means is, if you create a new account and you don't activate any hub, any paid hub, and you are on the free hub or the startup hub, then anytime you perform a validation or a proof of validation, you are earning between 0.1 to 0.5. Now, from 0.5 cent to 1.5 cent if you own at least one hub above the start level. So if you activate any hub, let's say the 6-month hub or the 12-month hub or the 24-month hub, if you activate any of this in addition to the free hub, then you'll be earning from 0.5 to 1.5 whenever you perform a proof of validation. Now, the process is fully automated and takes only a couple of minutes. I do this within 20 seconds. Okay, 20 seconds to 30 seconds, validation is done. All right. Now, how often does this happen? Proof of validation is an irregular procedure triggered only when needed. On some days, the modal window may not appear at all. On other days, it may appear several times. Okay. Now, validator authority. The number of hubs you own above the start level directly affects your validator authority. Now, the more such hubs you have, the more often the system will offer you proof of validation tax, and the more opportunities you will have to earn Synt. What it means is this: if you have two hubs apart from the free one, and somebody have three or four hub apart from the free one, the person with higher hub will stand the chance of validating more or more often than you. So in a day, if you have maybe 2 times, if the window appears 2 times for you who have two hubs, the one who has 3 or 4 hubs will get like 3 times or 4 times. That's what you have. So the higher hubs you have, the higher chances you have to validate in a day. Now, POV or proof of validation is an optional procedure. Completing POV task is not mandatory. Okay, if you skip or close the modal window, no penalties or restrictions will apply. In that case, other validators will simply receive more tax and rewards. I like this. So I wish people are skipping it so that we will be doing it and be getting more reward. That's just by the way. So what this man means is this. Now, anytime it comes, it's not by force, okay? It's not by force. Anytime it comes, you can choose to do it and end the point, or you can choose to skip it. There are only two options. Either you do it or you skip it. Now, if you choose to skip it, you have no penalty to pay. All right. What it also means is that once you are skipping it, you are giving some of us more work to do. So you are giving us more. What you are supposed to validate that you didn't validate, it will come to me or somebody else to validate, and the person will end the point you are supposed to end that you didn't want to end. The person will end it. That's what it means. All right. Now, important note to say all you need to do is click the start button when the POV window appears. Thank you for your continued education contribution. Now, before I close here, I need to warn. Although they are saying it's not mandatory, you can skip it and all that, but I will advise you do it. Okay, why do I advise you do it? For two basic reasons. One of the reasons is this very one we are seeing here. Okay, this thing that came today, not everybody got it. I told you already in my previous video. If you read what they are saying here, if you read here, okay, they say your digital profile has demonstrated reliability and responsibility as a POV validator. Therefore, you are granted the opportunity to activate several restructured hubs. This offer is time limited, and so it means that those who are taking the validation or the POV seriously, they will get the chance to get the rejected hubs. Okay, and these rejected hubs we are talking about, it will keep happening because once new people will be creating account, some will not be taking the project serious, maybe because of subscription and other things. So they will just create the account, they will just forget about it. And once you create an account like that, the system cannot reverse the money from the account. So they will find a way of letting somebody use it. So they will give it to us. So if you want to get this opportunity in the next time, so that you can also get plenty hubs for just a small amount of money, look at this, 8 hubs for just $100. If you want to get that opportunity, then you need to take your proof of validation serious. That's reason number 1 why I advise you do. Now, reason number 2, do you know you can earn as much as over $50 from validation? Do you know that? Okay, let me shock you. Oh, you see, I have gotten another validation to make. So luckily, thank God it came at the right time. So it's either you run POV or you skip when you see this video. So I will do it and I will show you the point I end. So this will take barely 30 seconds. Okay, barely 30 seconds. Let's see how long this thing takes. All right, let's see how long this thing takes. I will not pause the video. I just want you to see how long this thing take, and why I don't know why it is taking people hell to do this simple thing. And when you do it, you earn money. When you do it, you earn money. All right. So by that is it. It's done. Now I need you to. I'll show you how much I've earned now, right, by performing this. So let's click on the Synth token here. Now let's scroll down. Okay, this is the reward I just got, the POV reward I just got. Let's go to the right. You see how much money I make right now just by performing this. I got $0.86, almost $1. Now let me shock you with something. The reason number 2, I was telling you can make over $50 in a month by performing this POV. Okay, let me prove to you. Now, let's start. Today's date is 18th. Okay, so 18th start from here. 18th start from here. Okay, now in the morning when I open my app, I was given POV, so I performed the task. How much did I earn? I earned this amount for it. So you can take note of it. That is what 0.7. Now, later in the day, I took this one, look at the time, I took this one around 6:31. Now around 1:36, I got another one. You can see it, I took it. Let's see how much I earned. 0.87. So let's write it down, 0.87. Now, where again, around 8:02 p.m., I got the opportunity again and I took it. I got 0.89. 0.89. Then right now, the one I just did right now, you can see it here. 11.3. The reward is what? This is the reward. 0.86. 0.86. Okay, guys, let us do some calculation here and see how much I've earned just by proof of POV. Now 0.7 plus 0.87 plus 0.89 plus 0.86. Guys, 3.32. Okay, just for today. Just for today. So if the whole month I'm doing this, let's multiply this by 30. That is over $99. $99, okay? Just for validating. Now, can't I pay a subscription from this? Let's pay subscription $15 from this. I still have $84 to cash. Just by subscription, all right? Just by subscription. Now, let us just assume that I am not that fortunate. So in a day, maybe I got only 2 validations. Okay? Or 3, or yeah. But maybe I'm not fortunate to get this high amount. So even if it is 2 validation, let's just say 0.87 and then plus 0.7. That is 1.57. Okay, roughly multiply this by 30, guys. That is $47. $47. Can't I pay subscription from it? I can pay subscription and still have 30 something to cash out. And if you understand what they wrote here, okay, if you understand what they wrote here, they made us understand. From here, they made us understand that the more such hub you have, the more often the system will offer you POV tax, and the more opportunities you have to earn. Now, this is my account. Actually, this is my wife's account. It's not my own account. This is my wife's account. Let's go to dashboard. Now, this account has only how many hubs? This is the free one. This one active 6-month hub. Only 2 hubs. And I'm able to get 4 validation tags today to give me 3 point something. Okay, what about those who have like 10, 15, 8, 7 hubs? It means in a day, if you be checking frequently in a day, you can get like even 6 or 7 validations. So you can even make more than $100 on validation. Okay, so guys, this is it. These are the importance and the reasons why you must take validation serious. Okay, it can make you a lot of money even if you don't do anything. You don't have referral, but just validating, you can make money from this system. So guys, I'll end it here. And look, if you are yet to come on board Syntech, guys, you are missing out. The registration link will be there. Create your account, okay? The WhatsApp link will be there. Get into the WhatsApp group. If you are not okay, I mean, if you are finding it difficult to create accounts, just subscribe to this YouTube group channel. Now, if you scroll down a bit, you see this video here, how to register on the Syntech platform. It will guide you. It's very amazing, okay? Then if you want to buy a hub, get in touch. I can guide you, or there's a video. The video is here to guide you, right? There's a video here to guide you, this video here to guide you how to buy a hub. And guys, let's make money together. This opportunity might not be there forever. Once it is here, let's make very good use of it. All right, guys, so let me end it here, and I'll see you in my subsequent videos. Until then, guys, I love you and take care. Bye bye.